What is up, guys? I just want to do a small update video on the CRV. Sorry if I sound like death, I'm getting over the flu right now. But yeah, we haven't really done much to it since the first video. The starter went out, so we had to do a starter. We went ahead and threw in new spark plug wires right after the first video. We had to get a new downstream O2 sensor, and that's really been about it. I also did the valve lash because I guess these engines are notorious for having valve issues if not properly adjusted. If you haven't already noticed, we got some all-terrains on here now. These are BF Goodrich KO2s and a 215 7515. We haven't really got to do too much exploring or off-roading with them as of yet. Just hitting a few trails here and there, but so far I'm in love with them. But aside from that, the car's been solid, and today we're just going to be doing a few basic maintenance things. I'm going to go ahead and be doing new tranny fluid, new diff fluid, and all 3 drive belts. So yeah, let's get started on it.
Whoa.
Actually, it's pretty clean. And of course, we're going to be replacing these crush washers on the fill and drain plugs with new ones. Apparently it's super important to use this OEM fluid, so that's exactly what we're going to do. Oh yeah. There it is. So as you guys can see, the transmission fluid looked to be in excellent shape. So kind of just doing this as a preventative thing and have a baseline of the maintenance. So as that's draining, we're going to go ahead and replace all 3 drive belts because all 3 of these ones are currently cracked. So I went ahead and got all the belts off, and you can see just how cracked they are. That's the alternator belt. Here's the AC compressor belt. You know, power steering belt, they're all just completely trashed. I saved the boring part and just went ahead and installed the belts. All 3 new ones in there, you can barely see. But yeah, they shouldn't give us any problems. Now for the transmission, we're going to be using OEM fluid as well. Same pump method. I didn't really find it necessary to film me pumping for about 20 minutes. So I went ahead and topped off the transmission fluid, put in the fill bolt with a new crush washer and torqued it down.